Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vega helmet glass. First, assess the damage to your visor. Is it a scratch, a crack, or a loose fitting? Next, gather your tools, which typically include a small Phillips head screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and possibly a replacement visor or a repair kit. Understanding the simple mechanism of your helmet's visor attachment points will make the process much smoother. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure a secure and clear view for your rides. For minor scratches, start by cleaning the visor thoroughly with a mild soap and water solution, ensuring all dirt and debris are removed. Then, apply a small amount of a specialized plastic polish designed for helmet visors onto a soft microfiber cloth. Gently rub the polish into the scratched area using small, circular motions for about 30 seconds. This process can significantly reduce the appearance of light surface imperfections, restoring clarity to your view without needing a full replacement. When the damage is more severe, such as deep cracks or extensive scratching, replacing the entire visor is the best option. Begin by locating the two attachment points on either side of your helmet, where the visor connects. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove the screws or levers holding the old visor in place. Then, align your new Vega visor with these attachment points and secure it firmly, ensuring it clicks or screws into position correctly for a safe fit. To prevent future damage and extend the life of your Vega helmet glass, regular maintenance is key. Always clean your visor with a soft cloth and a mild, non-abrasive cleaner after each ride to remove bugs and road grime. When not in use, store your helmet in a protective bag or case to shield the visor from accidental scratches or impacts. Avoid using harsh chemical cleaners or abrasive materials, as these can permanently damage the visor's protective coatings and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.